Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Guritin. Today, 15th August, we are celebrating Independence Day. All first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is the most important day in the history of India. India got freedom on 15th August 1947 from the British rule. Independence Day is the national festival of our country. This year we are celebrating 79th Independence Day of our country. Many freedom fighters lost their lives to provide independence to India. This day reminds us the suffering from freedom fighters. We should pay tribute of freedom fighters on this day. Independence Day is a very proudful day for our country. We This day teaches us the powerful of unity. We should have a uh, respect our freedom and freedom fighters. We hoist national flag on this day. We sing national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Love my country. I love my country. I am proud to be Indian. Let our role played today is maintained to integrity of our country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.